How to set up G29 on PC ets2. Follow the instructions. Download and install Logitech G Hub from official site, then plug G29 into a USB port on your PC. Open Logitech G Hub and ensure your G29 is detected. Install any firmware updates if required. Open Steam, right-click ets2, Properties, Controller, set Steam input to Forced Off option. Launch ets2, go to Options, Controls, and select Wheel or Wheel plus Pedals as controller type. Choose Logitech G29 from device list, assign steering, throttle, brake, clutch, and gear functions. Adjust steering sensitivity, non-linearity, and enable force feedback to suit your driving style. Test wheeling game by driving. Ensure all buttons, pedals, and shifter, if any, work correctly. Save your settings, then backup profile files from Documents, ets2, Profiles for future use. Thank you for watching.